What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have another box here to unbox. This came from DHL, my favorite carrier. We got the Blue Alien on deck, so let's slice through this, see exactly what we have in here. Inside, the first thing we have, this is the DYS Elf. So the DYS Elf, and we got the AR Fun Pro. Let's get the light on in here. So we have the AR Fun Pro and the DYS Elf. So awesome. I think we're gonna open the AR Fun Pro first. This is the Bind and Fly FR Sky version. So we got a battery strap and some motor mounting screws or prop mounting tools, screws here. We have some zip ties, look like we have in there. And we have these awesome props here. I love these props. These are my favorite props here. These are the Rotor X Gem Fan combination props here. So Rotor X and Gem Fan combined to make these props here. So awesome. We got 3 sets. We got white, purple, and blue. And so let's just toss that stuff to the side and get this part. So we got a little instructions sheet here letting you know about how to bind the receiver and all, depending on which one you have. So this is the model here, wrapped up in bubble wrap. And so it looks like that battery is similar to the one that the AR Fun has. Let's see, do I have that battery close by? Yes, I do. The lettering rubbed right off of this thing. Oh, so it is different. This one is Aurora RC Crazy 500. And so this is a 500 milliamp hour too, but this one, we had brownouts on this one a lot. I heard that this one is better, so hopefully this one can be used with both. And so this is the AR Fun Pro. Looks almost the same. See, here's the AR Fun. Sheesh, it's just a little tiny bit wider, just by a tiny bit. So that little bit should make a difference though in prop size, because now we can fit those gem fans on here, which should make it fly awesome. A little bit of a difference of the design of the carbon fiber cut on the top there. Different design there, if you can see that. Oh, we have LEDs in the rear. This one has 1 LED. This has 2 LEDs on the buzzer. Other than that, everything else is the same. So let's sit that to the side. Move all of this stuff to the side, and let's get this DYS Elf open. Slide that out. Toss this box to the side for now. So we got a nice instructions manual. Looks like English is at the front and Chinese is in the rear. It's not in color, but hey, we can't have it all. And this how it comes packaged. Pretty nice package here. Comes with a transmitter, and this is Free Sky, FR Sky. I might be able to fly the AR Fun Pro with this, since it's the Free Sky version. But we have the Taranis radios over here too, so see what all we have in here. We have a battery in here. 600 milliamp hour LiPo, 25C2S. Nice, but it has this funny looking socket on here. It's funny looking plug. You got a charging power brick there. This is the charger for 2 and 3S batteries. We got some props in here, and these props are a little smaller. They're 5-bladed props, but they're a little smaller than the ones that we've been getting. They even gave us a little conversion plug or socket, whatever you want to say. And last but not least, here's the quad. So this thing feels pretty sturdy. I think these light up down here, so this should be a nice night flyer. Awesome looking little model. Only thing I don't like about it, I can see now, is the way that this thing powers up. So you guys can expect some flight footage from both of these as soon as I can get them up. I'm wondering what goes here. Maybe a monitor can screw on there or something. So you guys can expect some flight footage from both of these coming up. And ultimately a quick review or a full review. It's the AR Fun Pro and the DYS Elf. Thanks for watching.